I wish we could live a peaceful life, said a girl only 10 years old who became another tragic victim of the ongoing conflict in Gaza. Her father, Hussam Salah Abu Ajwa, initially hesitated to let his daughter Tala play outside, but he eventually gave in so she could enjoy her new pink roller skates near their home in Gaza City. Just few minutes after she went out, a powerful explosion struck and Tala became another victim of the conflict. Hussam raced outside after hearing the blast, but Tala was no more. He found Tala among the rubble, her roller skates the only visible sign of her presence. The details of the strike are still unclear, but a photo of Tala with her skates peeking out from beneath a white cloth has circulated widely on the social media. Children across Gaza are suffering as their schools are destroyed or damaged, leaving them with few opportunities for play or learning. Philippe Lazzarini, head of the UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees, warned that the destruction could lead to a lost generation, increasing risks like child labor and recruitment by armed groups. For Tala, the simple joy of playing outside was a precious escape from the constant confinement of war. Her father remembers her as a cheerful girl with many dreams. She often asked for things like a pair of roller skates, which her father happily bought for her. The conflict began after the Hamas attacked southern Israel on October 7, which led to significant casualties on both sides. Israel's response has caused immense suffering in Gaza, with thousands of deaths reported. Many of them are women and children. Israel's retaliatory campaign against Hamas has killed at least 40,878 people in Gaza, according to the Hamas-run territory's health ministry. Now, with Tala gone, her family is left to grieve their loss and reflect on the cruel irony of her death during one of the rare times she was allowed to play outside. Her mother, Tala, recalls how her daughter longed for a peaceful life, saying, "Why don't we live like other children in the world? I wish we could live a peaceful life." Sadly, she is no longer here and her dreams are unfulfilled.